Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Temu. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to start your online business and reach more customers. So let's get started. Temu is a new e-commerce platform launched in the US in 2021, which prompted individuals and businesses to start selling on Temu. Now there are specific requirements and steps to follow to create a seller account. Currently, Temu requires sellers to have a registered business in mainland China or Hong Kong, and there are two main ways to apply for a seller account. The first way to create a seller account is Pinduoduo seller account. Temu is a subsidiary of Pinduoduo, a major Chinese e-commerce platform with a strong presence in the cross-border trade sector. Now, by registering as a cross-border seller on the Pinduoduo website, you can leverage their established infrastructure and network to reach potential customers on Temu. Alternatively, you can contact Temu directly by emailing at seller@temu.com to request an invitation code for seller account creation. This option might be preferable if you are not already familiar with Pinduoduo platform, and once you have submitted your application through either method, Temu will conduct a thorough review of your information and business details. Now, this process can take some time as Temu wants to ensure high-quality shopping experience for their customers. During this review, Temu might request additional information from you to verify your business legitimacy and product compliance. This could be a business license, certificate of incorporation, or other official documents that proves your business is legally registered, and you may also need to provide your tax ID number or other relevant tax documentation. And if your products require any specific certifications or licenses, you will need to submit copies of those documents as well. And once your application is accepted, you will gain access to the Temu Seller Portal. You can set up your online store by establishing your brand identity on Temu. You can create a detailed product listings with clear descriptions and high-quality photos and accurate specifications. After that, you have to set competitive prices and manage your product inventory levels. After that, choose shipping and fulfillment options that fit your needs and ensure smooth product delivery to customers. In shipping case, Temu provides two options. The first is merchant fulfilled. Under this option, you are responsible for storing, packaging, and shipping your product directly to the customers. And the other option is Temu fulfillment. If you do not have your own warehousing and fulfillment infrastructure, you can leverage Temu's fulfillment services. You will ship your inventory in bulk to Temu's warehouses, and they will handle storage, picking, packing, and shipping to the customers. This option can save you time and resources, but there might be associated fees. Now, to maximize your sales potential, you have to optimize your product listings for Temu's search engine. Conduct keyword research to identify terms that potential customers are searching for on Temu, and then include these relevant keywords throughout your product titles, descriptions, and category selections. But avoid stuffing keywords into your listings unnaturally. Focus on creating informative and engaging content that accurately reflect your products. Now, Temu allows sellers to add visual content such as videos and specifications tables. Keep in mind that Temu prioritizes customer satisfaction, so provide excellent customer service, including the responses to any inquiries and efficient order fulfillment, because a positive seller reputation is crucial for attracting and retaining customers on Temu. Additionally, as a seller, you are responsible for complying with Temu's terms of service, product listing guidelines, and all applicable laws and regulations. Temu uses a secure payment processing system, so familiarize yourself with payout schedules and any associated fees. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.